Hi everyone, I am Madhubalan from Zyple Academy Private Limited. Let's see how the multiple routing, which is challenging situation faced by the industries. We have simplified the solution in SAP Business One. Let's explore it now. The challenge is the one MG part number can be produced through the standard routing process, and the same MG part number can be produced through the special routing process as well. Given example, the part A can be processed following standard routes: raw material, cutting, turning, milling, deburring and FG. The same part can be have the special process: raw material, cutting, turn mill, deburring and FG. So what is the difference between the two routes? The route 1 have turning, milling has to be processed in two different machines. The same part number, in process 2, turning and milling can be processed in the single machines. The complex requirement is simplified using SAP Business One SDK development. The advantages of the routing process is we can avoid to maintain the route-wise multiple part numbers. Point number 2, machine and tools can be defined at once. The point number 3, effective WIP inventory consumption can be tracked. The point number 4, inventory can be tracked with work order and route-wise. Let's catch up on next challenge and solution in next video. Thank you.